nating i-highlight ngayon, ang mag-BFF na Kai at Ray. You guys are not just BFFs, pero sabi nating partners in crime.
For real.
Dahil balikan natin. Sa bahay ni Kuya, sunod-sunod ang violations ng housemates sa mga patakaran.
Ay, sorry, Kuya.
Dahil dito, ang lahat ng mga nagkasala ay aking paparusahan.
Habang nagbubuhat sila ng mabigat na rulebook, pinaranggo ni Kuya sa housemates ang kanilang mga sarili mula sa rank 1 na pinakapasaway. Nang matukoy nila ang top 6 violators.
Pinapaalam ko sa lahat na kayo, JM, Fiang, Binsoy, Jan, at Dingdong, ay automatically nominated.
Binoto rin ng housemate si Colette sa rank 7, kaya't napasama siya sa 7 pinakapasaway at automatically nominated housemates na naiwan sa pagbubuhat ng parusa.
Yung dalawa, nag-i-enjoy lang sa loob. Bakit ako ang pinili nyo? Tayong lahat nagka-violation pero malala na yung sa iba. Kai, Rain, nag-uusap kahit walang lapel, kahit patulog na. So either mas maging okay ako pag pinalitan kayong dalawa. Mas tanggap ko na lang tong 7.
I'd say 7 first. I wanted 7. But not until Kuya said that the 7th place was...
It's a nomination.
Yeah. Because I feel like if really, they're really gonna count all my singing, bruh, I'm not just 7. Like, I'm way up there.
Alam ko na alam nila na we also, dapat nandun kami. Kasi like, Kuya Binsoy, Jan, alam namin, di kayo dyan dapat, di kayo dyan dapat. And we were like, parang tayo yun. So, we were aware naman.
Yeah, for me, what held me back at the time was fear. Those were the early weeks kasi hindi ko pa na-experience maging nominado.
I was also scared, Kuya. Kasi nga po, like Kai, di pa po ako na-nominate nun. So, may fear din dun.
Alam ko, Kuya, na aamin si Rain. I was very sure of that.
For me po, Kuya, I was like, would Kai get it? I was like, yeah.
Honestly, it was the least we could
Yeah.
do,
Yun.
Kuya.
Bare minimum na lang po yun. Kasi kayo na po nagbigay ng opportunity.
Yeah.
Thank you po, Kuya, kasi we were able to, bawi. Yung mistake namin, nabawi po namin. Kasi kung alam naman po namin yung anong deserve ng mga tao, bakit hindi po ibigay?
Hanggang sa pag-ako ng pagkakamali, magkatuwang talaga sina Kai at Rain. At kahit na mabigat na emosyon ang dinadala ni Kai, nandyan pa rin si Rain para maging sandalan niya. Narito, panoorin natin lahat. Sa bahay ni Kuya, puhunan ng lakas ng puso at isipan. At sa mga makabagong buhay na pangyayari dito, hindi may iwasan ang roller coaster of emotions gaya na lang sa mga napagdaanan ni Kai. Mapa ito ay noong makilala niya ang kanyang tunay na nanay.
When she was, opening up to me, Kuya, about it, parang ang dami niya pong nafe-feel. Confused siya, ano yung mafe-feel niya. Parang ang dami niyang tinitake in. It was heavy for her, Kuya.
We pray also for your mom. Whatever the result may be, she'll have the heart also to accept.
Yeah.
And,
She's gonna find out, Kuya, if it's positive or negative po, Kuya, the results. Ang dami niya pong nafe-feel. Maraming mixed emotions po, Kuya, kaya naiyak po si Kai nun.
O di kaya sa pressure na dala ng task, gaya ng oras na wala silang ulam at nabasag niya ang itlog na sana'y uulamin nila.
Hindi nga natin kinain itlog, natapos ka. Okay lang yan, may manok na.
Bakit?
Lahat? Basag talaga, as in. Baka pwede pa yan. Baka pwede pa. Pero ito eh.
I'm sorry, guys.
It's okay. Basag yung itlog. Wala na tayong itlog. Sayang ba to recyclable?
R.I.P. egg. I'm so sorry. I'll have a banana. I'm so triggered right now.
It's okay. It was very heavy na po, Kuya, na parang she had her breaking point po talaga.
Ay, hilak ba eh.
Ayaw gilak, oy.
Okay, Ramagod. Uy.
Di ko pa alam, kuya. I just felt tired lang.
He's not crying. Oh, back to topic.
He's not crying.
Oh,
Sabi
he's
ko na nga
not
ba?
crying.
The smallest things parang frustrate me already. And
Ay, gilak ba yung tira, eh?
Kuya Max.
what have I become? Parang naiinis na ako sa sarili ko.
Emotions, it's hard to control, kuya. Ayun. Tapos naiyak na po si Kai. Tingnan lang, lakatan. Tingnan lang. Like, just really making her understand, kuya, na there's nothing wrong with crying and what she feels is valid po, kuya. Nakakatakumatin na.
Sa loob ng 14 weeks nilang pagsasama sa bahay ni Kuya, kapwa naranasan ni Kai at Rain ang malagay sa panganib ng eviction. Kaya naman sa isang never-before-seen na kaganapan, sa isa sa mga huling araw ng edisyong ito, ang mag-best friend na sina Kai at Rain, todo pasalamat sa kanilang patuloy na pananatili sa bahay.
Can you believe it? 3 months ago. We were just here.
Ano, layo kay ka.
Let's reenact it.
Ang dalawa, naisipang i-reenact ang unang pagkikita nila sa loob ng bahay.
Therese was here. Ikaw dito.
I was
Jaren, Jaren, Dylan, Mark. Sabi ko. Oh my God. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi.
Cebuana? No, you didn't look at me. You looked there. God, Cebuana?
Pareho na ngang naranasan ni Kai at Rain ang mga ba kung magkakasama pa silang muli ng manganib ang bawat isa sa eviction.
You are safe tonight. Kai, congratulations, Kai.
I'm gonna be honest, kuya. Mas crazy yung dugs-dugs ng heart ko, kuya, when Kai was inside the game room. Mas kabado ako nun, kuya. Kasi that means po, if Kai was the one evicted, kuya, I'm gonna be left inside the house. That's like sadder, kuya. No?
I remember before game room moment, Rain told me to come back. Sabi ko, I will.
Oh my gosh, Kai came back. And naiyak na lang po ko, kuya, kasi parang I'm so grateful po, kuya, na it's such a blessing po na I'm still with Kai po in this fight po, kuya.
Nanatili namang matatag si Kai nang si Rain ang malagay sa alanganin.
You are safe tonight. Rain! Congratulations, Rain.
I know Rain as a person. I see her as her character. So parang naniwala na din ako sa taong bayan na makikita nila si Rain the way I see her. Kasi if the other housemates don't see that from her, I do.
Naging sandigan din nila ang isa't isa sa mga pining nominado.
Whatever or wherever are the good parts in my life, dapat gusto ko na makita din yun ni Rain. So wherever she is happy, however she is, dun din ako magsusuporta para sa kanya kay Rain, kuya. Kasi that's what best friends do, kuya. They support each other.
Nangako sa isa't isa na sabay silang aabot hanggang dulo.
Whatever it's gonna take for Big Four, I'm gonna do it.
We're so close, babe.
We're so
Let's
close.
be in there.
At naging masaya para sa naabot ang bawat isa.
Kai, congratulations.
Our dream came true, kuya. We're in Big Four together. Kai and Rain in Big Four together. We always said it, kuya, inside your house.
Oh my goodness! We went through it, kuya. We went through it and we made it through Big Four, kuya. Friendship goals. Bestie goals, kuya. Because not only did we fight for ourselves, but we also fought for each other. At kaya nga napunta kami sa Big Four.
Sa puntong ito ng inyong pagkakaibigan, how much do you value it?
put to words how much I value the friendship I have made inside your house with the other housemates, but most especially towards Rain. Iba when you know the person talaga. Iba when the person even knows you, puts the effort to care for you. Kaya in this generation, I'm so thankful. Kaya nga na sinabi ko noon, kuya, I'm so thankful na kilala ko yung taong ito, si Rain, sa bahay niyo pa po, kuya. Kaya I can say I'm very lucky to have Rain as my best friend, kuya. Real yun.
Aside from fun, it's just nice po to have someone to care and love you as a friend, and it felt like home po in your house. Kasi I found my best friend.